Hey guys, so basically this is a typing hack for the human benchmark. So if you don't know what the human benchmark is, it's basically just a website where you can test all your different skills, and it does reaction time, it does typing, it does like memory and stuff. So this is a script that I wrote about 5 minutes ago. So basically it just types super fast. So you'll basically get like a words per minute of 2000 or something crazy like that. Anyway, let's run it. And this is the delay here. So that's the delay between each letter press. So it's 0.005 seconds. So yeah, it's going to be typing pretty fast. It'll open up a browser here and it'll have a log over there, but basically it'll just type straight away. Yep. So, yeah, 2027 words per minute, 100% accuracy, closes after 3 seconds. So, yeah, I'll paste this in the description. You can copy it. I'll just quickly explain each bit. So, before making this script, I went and I used pip to download this or install it. So that's I did pi-m pip install keyboard. That basically installs this module here if you don't know how to use pip. You can also do just pip, but it depends because pip might not be in your system path. So just to be sure, I do this because I always have multiple Python installations. So I did that. I didn't get Selenium this time because I've actually had that for ages, but you would also do the same thing. So, pip install Selenium. That'll give you this module here. I'm using Chrome, but you can also use Firefox. It doesn't really matter because they're browsers, like they do what browsers do. From memory, I'm fairly sure you do have to go and find the WebDriver for Chrome if you want to use Chrome. I'm not sure if you have to do that for Firefox because, like I said, I made this like 5 minutes ago. I've mostly set everything up beforehand. So if you need help finding stuff, just comment down below. I can tell you how I got all this different stuff. So anyway, this browser equals webdriver.Chrome. It's basically making a browser instance and putting it into the variable browser. See, it's equal to a WebDriver. Browser.get is loading up a URL, which is this URL here, the typing test. And then we go to this section where it actually uses the XPath of the letters. So it goes and finds the letters via the XPath so it can put them together and know what to type, basically. So that's this. Text equals the first element of letters dot text. So it gets the text of the first element found with this XPath, which will be the letters that you have to type. The next bit, keyboard.write, basically just writes all of the letters with this delay in seconds. Time.sleep, so when it finishes typing, it just goes and does time.sleep for 3 seconds. So it waits for 3 seconds and then the browser will quit. So I'll just to demonstrate this again, let me set this to, set it to 0.01, so it's a bit slower, but I mean it's still really fast. Wrong one. I did not mean to do that. Okay, so it opens up a new one. Now let's see how fast that is. Yeah, that's pretty fast. That's very fast. Yeah, so 1,102 words per minute. So of course you can change this number if you want the page to stay open, or you can even just get rid of this line if you don't want it to quit afterwards. Then of course it'll just stay open. So yeah, that's how you do it. Just before I end this video, if you do remove these lines, you'll most likely have to use Control-C over here. Yeah, so anyway, Control-C, Control-Z, anything to quit it. That's just in case it stays open in the console, because I know that does happen sometimes with loops and stuff. So I think that's all. I hope this was helpful, or I hope you can have some fun with it. Comment below anything you've done with this code, or if it's helped you out in any way. It's really just for fun. Of course, I'm not going to use this to like put myself up on the leaderboard for anything. When I did this in an environment where I wasn't logged in, so my results didn't go into any leaderboards. So this is just to show you how it's done and all that. Yeah. So if this is helpful, and if you want to see anything similar in the future, then please comment below. Ask me to do different things. If there's anything else you have in mind, then I'd be happy to code it. Yeah, so goodbye.